Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday again, open day for Crypto Traders Arena. Everyone has access. Morning, Abdullah. Morning, BJ. Morning, Bukur. Morning, Ivan. Peep, Sebastian, Christian. Well, what a week. What a start. What a, I don't know, fuckery. Let's just call it by name. That was fuckery. That was clear manipulation of the public, of the crypto space, extraction, call it whatever you want. Usually I avoid to say that, but this time is different, people. They just killed us. Yeah. If you look back, because when you look back you see it clearly. You can see what happened, you can draw some conclusion. They fucking killed us. They put it in the weekend. They made a lot of people getting in at the top, FOMOing in, and then Monday they destroyed us. It's not that we lost some money because we know to respect the risk management. I told you not to FOMO in. I told you to wait, not wait for a retracement, but you saw what happened. Yeah. So they just intentionally broke the market Monday. That was a cleanup. I said, well, okay, we still have retail here. Well, fuck them. Let's clean them up, all of them. We are still here, some of us, but the public learned a strong lesson. Trump is not your friend. Sorry. Okay, let's look at CME. I'll start with CME on daily. Why? I want to see what happened with the gaps. So, you can see. Max pain, people, max pain. We didn't close this gap. We attempted to close it, and then we closed all the way up here to close this gap. And now we are on our way to close the big one. And we formed another gap here. If you remember, yesterday we had a big one. Now it's gone. If you zoom out on weekly or you stay on daily, you will see that, well, nothing unusual on higher time frame. We just need to retest, Wyckoff check this level. Looks more and more probable that I'll touch my reserves and I'll have to buy some altcoins. I'm still waiting here. How will happen? I don't know. I'm not, I don't know, someone that could predict the future. So, if will happen, if we'll touch this level, if we'll go back in long reload zone 61.8, kind of 70-75 area, then I'll take my reserves out, at least part of them, and I'll buy shitcoins, the strong ones. When I'll see a double, I'll sell half, I'll put my money back, and then I'll have more coins. Someone said, well, I don't look at spot bags. Well, I don't intend to sell them today, so I'm looking at my bags. I see the the actual value at this point in time, but I don't intend to sell them. Yeah, so I'll sell when I'll decide to sell, people, not now. I told you weeks ago when we anticipated the fuckery, well, we said, well, high volatility, something is happening. Well, watch out, it's not that easy. I said, zero or hero. I'll lose if it will be to lose respecting my plan. I'll not lose because I didn't respect my plan. Okay? So that's my thinking. If I'll be to lose, I'll lose because, well, I respected my plan. The market didn't give me opportunities. Everything is breaking down, and okay, so be it. But has to go to zero to shake me out. That's the best mentality in my opinion. I could suffer. Imagine that all the investments will go belly up. I'll be okay. I'll suffer, but I'll be okay. But I'll be better than to do stupid things in the market to pump. I could not live with myself anymore, knowing that I had the plan and I didn't respect the plan. I'm teaching other people how to respect the plan, how to do it, and I'm not doing that. So sorry people, you will not find in Crypto Traders Arena, at least not on my side, well, I give up. No, sorry. You are stuck with me here. Okay, so we still have this gap. We'll fill the gap or not, I don't know. Gaps have 90-95% percent. Yeah? That's the probability. Doesn't necessarily mean we need to close the gap. Doesn't necessarily mean that we need to close to touch 72 here or 69. It's probable, it's possible. So take it level by level, people. It's looking ugly again and everyone is bearish again. You know what is usually happening when everyone is on the same side? Nobody is thinking bull market anymore. Look at Twitter, look at whatever you want. Everyone is thinking, well, that's it. They destroyed us. So, well, I'll play setups. I know a lot of people are not panicking, are in despair already. They said, well, it's enough, I cannot take it anymore. I see it everywhere. But nothing I can do about it. I could tell you what I'm doing. I'm holding as long as it needs zero or hero kind of approach. I have my plans and I'll respect my plans. Okay, now we'll fill the gap. That will be a nice area to look for W's here. Especially this Wyckoff check. If we'll touch this area and now we'll see daily W's. For the moment we don't have anything. We have high volatility, you can see up and down, but nothing to give us a daily trade or a W or something. No, it's too volatile. We can look at this chart and you can see actually was the worst possible scenario. Yeah? Breaking down, Trump said, well, no, I want the boat back up, and now is going back down. These motherfuckers, people say that they manipulated the market to push it up, and they bought the bottom and they sold the top. No, people. They bought the bottom, they sold the top, they shorted the top after that. That's why the price pushed back down so strong. Okay? They didn't only buy the bottom, manipulate the market up, and then they sold. They sold and then they shorted again. That's why we see this price action here. Take it, leave it, stay here, don't stay, it's up to you. Yeah, Jade is exactly saying that. Enough, it's enough, I can't take it anymore. Sorry, Jade. Learn to trade, Jade. Learn to trade because after you learn to trade, you don't care if the market is up or down. As an investor, you are tied up what market is doing. As a trader, well, as a trader, you look for setups. It's going up, it's going down. Doesn't matter. You find the setup, you take it. You look at after 100 trades, you say, well, I made some money. Yeah, not to the pay. Yeah, we get used to it. But indeed, I have to admit, this cycle was uglier than the rest. We wanted institutions, people. We wanted, well, let's bring the institution to make money. Well, enjoy. I said a long time ago that institutions are taking profit earlier. They are not waiting for 100x. So don't expect that institution will push your altcoins to 1000x. If they are in, they will book the profit. They have a strict plan how to book the profit, people. It's not like a moon boy that bought a meme coin and is holding for 10,000x. Nah. They are booking the profit. They are loading again. They have a clear plan. Okay. Bitcoin now. We are in a long reload zone here on lower time frame on this week. If we'll see on lower time frame a W, we can attempt to long that one. Yeah? Ethereum versus Bitcoin at the same place. Yeah, still fighting that weak to the downside. No W, nothing. I told you, when I'll see Ethereum versus Bitcoin above 0.03, then I could decide that, okay, Ethereum will outperform. Until then, no. We can stay and fuck around for a long period of time. Ethereum itself, well, that's something nice to see. Yeah? The problem I have, people, when the market was here at the top, and we touched this level and we SFU the level, and I said, well, it's not looking the best. Everyone, well, no, 10,000. Now, well, we confirm this big gap and will go down. Really? So, Ethereum is 50% off from the top this cycle. And now you are thinking, well, the target should be 1,200. You are not a bit late? I'm just asking. Maybe you are a bit late to the party to think short. Maybe you should think long. Start a dollar cost averaging plan on the long side with Ethereum. I think it's not a bad idea. We are already at 61.8 long reload zone. We finally touched that level. We SFU all the liquidity here. And we SFU that again and again to be clear that we don't have anything left here. We took all the liquidity. And no, this time is different. This time we'll go straight down, will not bounce, will not... come on, people. You are late to the party if you are thinking short Ethereum here. You are in a long reload zone, for the fuck's sake. Don't think short here. You don't see a W on daily? Okay, wait. You will see it at below 2,000? Okay. Wait until you see a daily W. But don't think short here. Don't think short. You are on the public side. Honestly, I suspect that smart money are slowly, without people noticing, because, I don't know, on-chain everything is seeable, everything is there. Slowly are moving from Bitcoin to Ethereum. But really slowly, because they don't want to wake up. They don't want the public to understand what they are doing. But, well, okay, let's assume that that's just my opinion. Mountain man, long reload zone, and you are thinking short. No. Sorry. I am forced to think long here, people. And a W here, pushing in the short reload zone, and imagine it's a nice risk to reward here. And don't tell me it's impossible to touch $3,200 on Ethereum. They did it in 3 candles here, you can see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And you don't see the possibility of that. Anyway, I'm not, I don't know, schooling or arguing with anyone. Do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'll do. I'll think long and long only on Ethereum. We are in the long reload zone. We can start a dollar cost averaging plan already on Ethereum. Imagine that. Okay. We talked about Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin dominance. Well, I hoped for 60% and lower. I'm still thinking is probable to happen, but for the moment we have the range. We can break to the upside and touch the short reload zone first. Yes, we can. For the moment is in the same range. We have a high, we have lows. So approximately equal highs, approximately equal lows. That by definition it's a range. Yeah, couple one people just learned that last week. Pretty simple. You don't have to look at with this special tools. You can see equal highs, equal lows makes a range. Play the range game if you see a range. No? Okay, total market cap. That was brutal. Look at it. Technically correct. Nothing bad here. Yeah? You can see we bounced, retest this big M, touched 3 trillion again and dumped again. This is so-called extraction of money from crypto. Look at it. Money is gone. Poof. No more. Sorry, people. Total 3. Similar stuff. Yeah, I still think we are fighting, but we are fighting that level, but we are getting far away from it. We are getting back in the long reload zone, which is not a bad thing overall. We want to see the volatility going out from the market from now on to find clear and small W's so we can play. Yeah. Okay. Altcoins. Well, we can look at them. Not too many on green. I took a loss on this one. I took a loss on AVAX also. So when I looked in the morning, more than 4% losses, which is kind of painful for me. 4% is, it's kind of sketchy. I don't like it. I don't usually get 4% losses in total. So, I didn't like what I saw. Was my fault? Well, no, because total risk was respected. I had clear W's, I had clear setups. If the market manipulated or broke my stop losses, so be it. I'll take the stop loss and I'll play tomorrow. But you can see W here. Everything was here on AVAX, for example. Yeah, we took the liquidity, we made a W breakout here, and we took the loss. So don't think I'm immune and I'm not taking the losses. I'm taking the losses, I'm feeling the pain. On spot, I feel the pain. I just, what makes me maybe different is that I decided that I'll respect my plan. Once I decided that I'll respect my plan, I'll just do it. I still feel the pain. If I look at, I look like everyone else 10 times a day on the spot portfolio, yeah, I'll feel the pain. I see that we still have people watching the live stream. So, I don't know. Either is not enough pain, either we selected ourselves already and we are determined to be here. Doesn't matter what will happen. I see the same faces every time. I don't see new faces. I don't see moon boys anymore. I don't see them asking requests. Well, what will happen with this coin? Where I should buy this one? Nobody's saying anything. Everyone has the bags and we are just waiting for something. But we are still here. I have a lot of friends that they said, well, enough, it's enough. Exactly like Jade. Like I suggest, enough, it's enough. I'll give up. Well, okay. If you cannot take the pain. But if you cannot take the pain, don't. Like they say on Twitter, you don't deserve the reward. Well, I don't know about that. Some people, maybe they are a bit overexposed. Some people are at the beginning of the road, maybe don't know how to respect the plan or how to plan first of all. That doesn't make them bad people. Well, and they have a limit they cannot cross. We have years here. We know what crypto means. We know how violent could be. I warned you a couple of weeks in the beginning of the year. 2025 will be damn ugly. Bull market is not easy. Everyone is expecting, well, bull market, straight up. I make money, that's it. No. It's not that easy. We'll go up, we'll go down, we'll go down, we'll go up. And, exactly like you see now on Bitcoin here. Huh? Up and down and up and down. That's not easy to trade. From 78 to 95. Come on, it's almost 20K. And then back down. Maybe we'll take this week down and everyone will become bearish and then we'll make a 3-bar fractal or a W and we'll push higher again. Imagine what we'll do to the beginners. Well, people, if you want to like the video, if you like the live stream, please hit the like button. But mostly what I want from you is to repost. Yeah? I see some people are reposting. Yeah? If you repost this tweet, more people will see it. From the people that will be new and will see it, some of them will remain, some of them they'll be consistent, and we'll grow our community slowly and organically. Because if we'll grow the community with a lot of moon boys, that will not help us too much. We'll just become a toxic community, and I don't want that. I kick all the moon boys and all the people that they are not behaving out. Okay, now we talked about the overview, we talked about altcoins. If you don't have, there are some people that they still don't have, you can make a plan. A dollar cost average I think is the best. TIA is strong, relatively strong if you compare it with the rest. I think from now on, seeing this 3-bar fractal, big 3-bar fractal top confirming, Bukur, I don't know if you are still here. Seems like you'll get your $3, maybe lower. No? So, seeing this pattern here makes me think that we need to consolidate. Yeah, it's stronger than the rest, but, well, everything has a limit. I think we should consolidate and make a new W. Looks like it. Yeah, we have our bags on TIA. You saw someone on General posted that they're actually unlocking a lot of coins, and if you look at smaller unlocks, it's hidden on CoinMarketCap, you have to push a button, you will see 500,000 of TIA unlocking daily. 500,000 is a fucking 500,000. On daily basis is not too small. Yeah? And I think they have big unlocks also. So from $3 to $100, it's a long road. But from $3 to $30,000 to $30, it's possible. From 2, it's even more possible. Anyway, it's a strong coin. We should have a ban. I could go on the entire list, but actually you can see Russian coins are starting to move. Maybe they'll do another big pump like they did in the past. I don't know if you remember, years ago, 2022, they pumped like crazy. Anyway, it's just something you should watch out. We are retesting the range low, and I think we can accept back in the range low, and we can play around. Now, let's look at lower time frame. Ethereum, we touched $2,000 on the dot. We'll hold. I think we'll have to SFU that level, but maybe we'll form a W above. No? $2,001. I'm not saying to buy it. You have a SFU setup here on Ethereum. If you look from 28 February, you have an SFU here. If you hold, I don't see a W. I don't see anything special. I'll patiently wait. You want to short, someone said, I want to short the bounce. If you are a scalper, yeah. If you are a day trader, maybe. But as a swing trader, it's too late. Well, if you're releasing the coins, Radu, you know what will happen. It'll push the price down. Selling pressure will increase and will push the price down. Simple as that. What we have here. So that's Ethereum here on 1 hour. I don't see a setup. I see on 1 hour, I see some potential bullish divergence. Actually, this one is confirmed on 1 hour. You can see this is a confirmed bullish divergence. Let's see the price. So I'll not say stupid things. Yeah. Low, lower low, low, higher low, confirm it here. MACD histogram the same. So we have MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence. And if you look overall, we have OBV bullish divergence. Not the best fucking moment to think short on Ethereum. I'll wait for a proper setup on the long side. Okay? Now, let's look at Bitcoin on lower time frame. We are in the long reload zone. And people said, well, we have this initial EM when we talked about it yesterday. Yeah, we talked about that EM. We can put a house level here to see where it's pointing out. I bet it's pointing out in the long reload zone. There you go, 78.6. Look at the first stop, stopped it here, and now is pointing out at 78.6. Could go there? Of course it can. We'll go to 78.6 82, I think. We can push even lower to fill the gap. But I'm expecting some kind of bounce here in the long reload zone. I'm not thinking short in a long reload zone. You know that. Yeah, Stefan will live stream after I'll close this in half an hour, 20 minutes. Day trading with Stefan. I don't know how much day trading you can do in this environment. And by the way, people, by the way, this is not the week you want to trade. This is not the week you want to sell your bags or to do anything. You just want to stay out and wait. Yeah, we had yesterday some news, but look at Friday. NFP and Mr. Powell, the second strongest or the second influencer in the United States. He was the first one. Now Trump is the first one. He is the second. So sorry. You don't want to trade too much. If you are premium, if you are VIP and you see us slowing down, that means we want to protect capital. Please acknowledge that. And if you don't see us trading, means that we don't want to trade, not we don't want to post. So don't, well, why you are not posting? Well, because I consider it's better to protect the capital instead of risking it in the market. I don't see an advantage. Yeah? So this week, it's better to sit on the sidelines. Well, you want me to sit on the sidelines the entire week? Well, not the entire week. You can scalp here and there, but most of it, yeah, stay out. Okay. Let's go back on lower time frame. If I'll see a W in long reload zone, more specifically here, it's more tempting to take it here at 78.6. Okay. I'll play the shark? No. Or maybe I'll play it with low risk. Below 1.5. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay-ish. I think I could get a 1-to-1. But I prefer W's now. I want to see a double bottom. I want to see a change in the structure of the market. Because look at it. Yeah? And we discussed that yesterday, 2 days ago. Yesterday, actually. Yeah? High, low, lower high, lower low. And we broke down from this level, couple one, people. You remember? This is the level that is telling you, well, fuck it. It's a downtrend. It's confirmed 100%. High probability that will go down. So you have the M. Have the breakdown. And when we'll take this low, then you know, well, it's ugly. And look what happened after that. After we touch this level. Kaboosh, kaboom, kaboom, boom. Down. Higher time frame, we know that we have 72. Lower time frame, I could see a W somewhere in here. Some bullish divergence. We'll see. Level by level. Coins like Hype, coins like strong coins actually. Yeah, similar. Show me W's. If the market is keep making lower lows, don't touch it. Maybe this one wants to stop at $10 and then do a W. Who am I to tell the market, well, no, give me a W here? Sorry. If I'll see the W, I'll try to long. If I'll not see the W, I'll stay out. Well, at least you are remembering. Some people say, well, when the fuck did he call that? Jupiter. Book a loss here. I don't have it framed here, but I took a loss here because I took that trade. Was my setup, was my trade. I took it and you can see going down. Sorry. A loss is a loss. I have 47% of my trades will go belly up. That's why I have a stop loss. That's why I protect my capital with a stop loss. Took the loss. Next boss. Litecoin, well, Litecoin was something at some point in time, no? Wanted to break out $140. Well, now it's 40% lower. Nobody wants Litecoin anymore. The low here in February was $79. Honestly, I'm watching Litecoin closely. I'm watching Litecoin to see maybe I could get a setup here. And if we'll dump, something will happen and we'll dump, I want to buy some Litecoin. It's a safe bet in my view. Not high risk to reward, but it's stable enough to respect the setup, to respect the levels, the fibs, and the structure. So I'm okay with taking a Litecoin. Well, not too many things we can say. We can rant here and we can say, well, the market will recover, will not recover, or Trump is the ugliest president ever. Weeks ago was the best one. Well, I told you multiple times that Trump is not working for us. Some people don't understand that concept. Yeah? Trump is working for him and his family. And you saw it third time now. I hope you learned the lesson. If you don't, well, you'll learn it pretty soon, because he will do it again and again until it will not work anymore. Trump is not the guy that will find something that is working and he will stop. He'll say, well, I'm not greedy, enough, it's enough. No, he will force it until it will not work anymore. Okay? That's my 2 cents. I'm not saying he's a bad guy, he's a good guy, doesn't matter. The idea is if you can make money. He is making money for his crew, not for public. He is considering the public like any other president. If you know how they are considering us, you know everything you need to know about them and trusting them. Sorry, people. That's the reality we are living in. Wake up. Wake up. Sorry. Now, if you have requests, I'll be more than happy to take a look. Someone said about ENA. Well, if it's unlocking, I'll take a look at. I don't know if it's something I could see about ENA. Yeah. We had a setup, failed. Not what happened here. Next W. Next W, breakout and retest. ENA was looking strong here. Really strong. I like it. You can see we had all the reasons to take this W at 78.6, but that's why we have stop losses. Sometimes it's not working. It's not because ENA was weak, it's because the entire market collapsed. Yeah, CZ is not working for us. Don't worry about Vance. He's not. He never worked for us. You have to imagine that. He never wanted to help us. He wanted adoption. Adoption means more stupid money to come and play his exchange, play in his casino. When he says adoption, it's what he means. He means, well, more stupid people, please come in my casino and play around. Huh? I'm your best friend. Yeah. I took a hit for you. I stayed in prison for 4 months. Really? How many of you will stay for that money in 4 months in prison? Come on. He's not our friend, people. He's smarter than the rest. He doesn't want to make enemies in the public. He doesn't want people to see him as a bad guy. He's trying to do whatever it takes not to be seen. But he's working for him and his crew also. The only one working for you is you. You have to understand that. Learn to trade. Take up what 1, take up what 2. Learn to trade and make your own decision. Don't expect for, I don't know, CZ Trump or anyone, or Eric Trump, another good guy, or Elon Musk. How many of you remember how Elon Musk did the same thing with Doge? I remember. He shielded Doge at the top every fucking time until it wasn't working anymore. You remember? that Elon Musk was posting and Doge wasn't moving? Why? People didn't trust him anymore. So nothing new, people. Sorry. Wake up. You are your own best friend. We are best friends here because we are on the same side. We have same interest to learn to trade and find ideas and make money. We can consider ourselves in Crypto Traders Arena friends or online friends. But to consider Elon Musk, Donald Trump, CZ, another guy your friend? Sorry. Okay, people, hit the like button. I see 60 people, 55, 60 people and only 30 likes. If you don't like it, don't hit the like button. I'm not feeding with likes. I want to help people as much as I can. My concept, it's one and one only win-win situation in Crypto Traders Arena, win-win in relation with other people. So if it's on the win-win side and you are winning, I'm winning, then everything is okay. When someone is not winning, we have a problem because that relation will not last long. It's not that I'm better than others. I just understand this concept. Yeah, win-win, and I keep that concept in mind on VIP, on Premium, on Crypto Traders Arena, everywhere I go, in my family, everywhere you see me, you'll see me with the same concept. Win-win. If you want to have good relations, if you want to last, if you want to enjoy life, you have to think win, not only on your side. You have to see the other guy winning. Yeah, Bob, it's for the moment. Wait for W's. I just told you about Tia. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. Stefan will start in 10, 15 minutes. Slow and steady. Altcoins here, I don't think meme coins or other coins are doing anything. You can see everything is red here. Griffane, Arena, everything it's red. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. Don't despair. Follow your plan. I'm not financial advisor. What I could tell you is follow your own plan. I think it's allowed to say that. Yeah? Follow your own plan. And don't sell the bottom or don't sell the deep. If you want to exit after a nice pump. If you see greed in the index. I don't see greed in the index. I still see fear. Still not a good moment to exit if you want to exit. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in the next one in a couple of minutes. Bye bye.